Beauty with boats. Let's draw a beautiful riverside landscape based on numbers of boats. As I told riverside, so we'll draw a river with beautiful horizon and couples of boats. We'll add 3 to 4 boats in this particular landscape. Then we'll proceed color, background plus water, cobalt blue plus water, right? Basically we'll use left and right way to pour the color of this particular area. Next, backside having a series of mountain, we'll use purple based brownish tone, and land surface will use yellow green based color. Same time we'll use the textures of water and shadows as usual in this surface of river. Now we'll try to design the boats with very bright color, since already we have given title the beauty with boats. We'll use very bright color like red, orange, yellow, blue, etc. Next, we'll give the textures in sense of finishing lines in this particular boat escape. As you are watching, the finishing of painting itself is occurring step by step with the textures and finishing formation of the objects based on the reflection in river of boats. Shadows and reflections are very important role in this particular subject, and same time the textures of water and waves itself, it will occur with patches of color. Keeping in mind the finishing touches, we'll try to give the finishing